welcome to another video on my YouTube channel, Airdrop Boss. Okay, today's video I'll be sharing with you guys the AZCoiner app. This coin is part of the biggest mining operations in 2024, so you do not want to miss it. Okay, the link to the registration is in the description box. Okay, so just click on that and then it will take you right away to Play Store and then you download it. I don't know if it's available for iOS devices, but just check it out. All right, as you can see here, mine has already been downloaded. I'm just going to open it straight ahead. All right, as you can see here, this is just telling you to know more about the app, Web3 integration, access to decentralized apps, blah blah blah, social file. All right, and also one good thing with the app is that is crypto news hub. Okay, this guys gives updated legit crypto news that affects the crypto market. Okay, you can be updated with the news this guy gives here. Okay, you don't want to miss this. Okay, so let's start quickly. The registration process is not hard, it's super easy, just like any other app. Just have to provide them to your email, your password and all of that. Okay, so right here, just going to create an account. Okay, let's go to the register page. This is for the login page. Alright, as you can see here, if you want to register, you just provide them with an email, a password, and you enter your password and then register. What I'm going to do is that I'm gonna log in because I've already registered. I'm gonna log in. Okay, just provide them my email quickly. Once you've registered, it's no more hard again. As you can see here, these are the news I've been telling you guys about. All right, as you can see, Bitcoin $53,000 push sparks $300 million liquidation wave. Strategic WBTC trades propel crypto whale to $5.16 million in profit. Okay, all of these are news that are being updated from time to time. As you can see, this was 7 hours ago, the first one, and blah blah blah. So once you've registered, you just scroll right up, you see it right up here. Right, as you can see here, your connection session has ended, meaning you have to click this every 24 hours. Okay, just like any other mining app, just click on connect and wait for it to do its thing, and boom. All right, I have 15 AZC here, as you can see. So this is just basically it. Okay, make sure to send your referral link. I'm going to show you how to do that, but first, this is just not an app. Okay, it's way more than that. As you can see here, you can see Web3 on my top right corner right here, Web3. Or as you can see here, you can also have a wallet. Okay, because of they're going to be doing their distribution, I think, on the Arbitrum network. Okay, so you have to have a wallet. Okay, so it's either you create a wallet or you import your already existing wallet. I mean, this should not be new to you guys. Okay, you already know how to do all of that, and I'm not going to go through all of that, but I'm just going to show you guys how you can get your referral link quickly. As you can see, my timer has already started. All right, if you want to get your referral link, you just click on this guy right here. Click on this icon at the top left corner of your screen. Click on that and you see this immediately. See this, click that, and then your referral link will be given to you immediately. As you can see here, this is your referral code and your referral link. You can tap on it to copy. Like I told you earlier, it's not just an app, it also has a wallet. As you can see here, you just create a wallet and get updates from here, also important updates from the crypto world, and you will be enjoying the AZCoiner. Make sure you are consistent, don't miss any coin, and always come to check my YouTube channel. Make sure you turn on all notifications and subscribe.